Baby, when I used to love you, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. I went through the fire for you, anything you asked me to. But I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you now like I used to. Maybe it's me, maybe I bore you. No, it's my fault, 'cause I can't afford you. Maybe, baby, Puffy or Jay-Z would all be better for you, 'cause all I could do was love you. Baby, when I used to love you, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. I went through the fire for you, anything you asked me to. But I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you not like I used to. Now maybe I should rob somebody so we could live like a Whitney and Bobby. It's probably my fault, my bad, my loss, that you are above cause. All I could do was love you. Baby, when I used to love you, there's nothing that I wouldn't do. I went through the fire for you, anything you asked me to. But I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you not like I used to. Now do you remember when I used to love you? Baby, justify, and I can't make you my wife, 'cause I don't love you, not like I used to, not like I used to, not like I used to. Oh, do you remember when I love you? Baby, I don't anymore. Love you. Oh, I bet you miss me now, 'cause I love you. You're gonna miss me now, 'cause I bet you miss me now, 'cause I don't love you. Oh.
I gotta buy at least 100 of those.
Please.
For everybody I know.
Buy 1,000.
Please. Now, give us your full name, man.
John Stevens. I grew up John Stevens, but, you know, John Legend was a nickname people started calling me because they thought I sounded like I came from the old school. So, you know, that's what I am, John Legend now. So
Making a new legend, right?
hey, I'm trying, man.
Now,
one record at a time.
You started out as an English major at the University of Pennsylvania, right?
Yeah.
Now, what'd you do to keep money rolling while you were in college?
Oh, man, I was hustling. I was, you know, working a work-study job, helping high school kids get ready for college, and I was also doing working at a church, directing the music there, and just trying to find money wherever I could get
14
it.
different jobs.
Yeah, man.
Now, give us a more idea of what you did in developing your musical skills when you first got started. I mean, we know that you started playing piano, started playing at the age of 4.
Yeah.
What else did you do, man?
Man, I was grew up playing in church, so you know I was surrounded by musicians. My whole family's musical. My mother was a choir director. My grandmother was a church organist.
Oh, wow. So you had no choice.
I had it all around me, so I was just developing it in church, playing by ear. I was also taking classical piano lessons and just singing, talent shows, school plays, whatever. And you know, just all that experience is what made me who I am today.
So your roots were in gospel music.
Yeah, absolutely.
Now your CD, cover to cover, man. Just every song on there, just unbelievable.
Thanks,
Y'all
man.
got to go get it.
Thank you.
Tell me, who were some of the people that you worked with in putting the CD together?
Well, I'm signed to Kanye West label, Getting Out Our Dreams, and he executive produced the album with me, and he produced
Kanye.
4 joints on the album, and he also did a verse on there. Then also Snoop Dogg is on the album. Will I Am from the Black Eyed Peas produced a couple joints.
Yeah.
I produced a couple. I got some new producers. This dude named Devo Harris out of New York, Dave Tozer out of Philadelphia. I got my family featured on the album. We did a song together, and Miri Ben Ari, the hip-hop violinist, is on there too.
Man, listen, congratulations, and we wish you all the best. You want to come back later on the show and do another
Yeah,
couple
man,
for us?
of course.
Tell us, everybody, the name of the CD. Go get
The
it.
CD's called Get Lifted. Make sure you get that.
Yeah, man. Everybody make your noise. Show some love. Mr. John Legend.
From hip hop to pop soul, R&B, classical, the new millennium is guaranteed to be magical.